I have been following some Model 3 message boards and seen a few people using tablets for their driver-centered display. While this doesn't give the results of a real HUD, it does offer some nice features. I researched a few different mounts on Amazon and eBay. Most seem to hook into the vent or attach permanently onto the dash. This ProMount mounting bracket attaches to the dashboard area and vent. It uses a fairly secure setup. I also ordered a tablet mount that attaches to the bracket. My particular choice fits a Samsung Galaxy Tab A 7.0. I will talk about this tablet and its uses in a future episode. You could order a number of different mounts based on your particular device, say a smartphone or tablets of differing sizes. First up, I'm going to unwrap the ProClip dashboard mount. You can see that its shape follows the angle of the dashboard wood area. With this direction, the AC vent is on the left side and the front of the dashboard is on the right side. The center angle piece is where the mount is going to be attached to. It's composed of a hard ABS plastic, and you can see right here there is an area where 3M double-sided tape is on the front. Also included in the bag is the instructions for mounting this bracket onto the car. Next up is the ProClip Tablet Mount that gets attached to the bracket. It is also a hard ABS plastic. It's shaped to fit the tablet. The top part has an area that can snap onto the tablet. On the rear is a tilt and swivel piece. Let's test it out with the tablet. We place the tablet on the bottom section and it snaps into the top. It's also held on all four sides. Also in the package came a bunch of screws. The first bag of screws and nuts is not for this application, while the second one is for this bracket. And this also includes a manual. And this shows how to detach the centerpiece and attach that to a bracket. When attaching the tablet mount, there are two sets of holes on the base. You can choose the left or right side to install. If you wish, you could use the center of the mount. You will have to drill 4 holes. It's a shame that ProClip could not provide this from the factory considering how expensive these mounts are. I chose just to use the left side mounting holes. It really doesn't make much difference with a small tablet. Okay, let's take the tablet out so we can start putting the mount together. You will need to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Now we can remove the center screw. Once the screw is removed, you can snap off the tilt swivel piece. Should pop right out. Now you can see the tilt swivel piece. It needs to be attached to the mounting bracket. Here's what the piece would look like if it was mounted to the right side of the bracket. You now need to remove the 4 screws from the bag. Now I'm going to attach the tilt swivel piece to the left side of the mounting bracket. Use all 4 screws and screw them in so they're snug. The tablet bracket can now be placed on top of the tilt swivel piece again. And tighten the screw. Now we finish attaching the mount pieces. You place the tablet into the mount so that it fits into the groove bottom section. Then you push back and the top snaps in. I like how it's super easy to install and detach the tablet. Now let's put it in the car. Center the mount. Sit centered in the seat and look through the steering wheel spokes. Make sure the mount fills the space evenly. The mount includes 3M double-sided tape, but I'm not going to be using it until I'm certain with the location, and it also makes it easier to remove the mount when needed. When you're happy with the location, push the rear of the mount into the HVAC opening. It will clip into that area. Now pull the mount forward and it will snap onto the front edge of the dash. And finally, let's check out how the tablet looks in its new mount. I must say that it's pretty solid. You can touch the display on the tablet and the mount doesn't move. Let's test out one of the apps. Waze is usually a good option. From the side view, you can see that the mount has limited motion up and down for adjusting angles. It would have been a little better if the mount wedge was a little bit taller. A GPS speedometer is actually a pretty cool app to use. As you can see, the mount is a little off angle. I have since fixed that. If you're interested in the ProClip mount, please see the video description for links. This is just the first of several videos I'm going to be doing about the tablet and how it's going to be used in the car. In my next video, I'm going to show how to hide the tablet's USB cable. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. It helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.